Hey there, I'm your assigned pension and retirement review specialist. Let's quickly jump into this explainer.
We missed each other for our 15-minute call, but hey, life happens and that's completely okay.
I'm sending this so you know exactly what kind of valuable insights to expect when we do connect.
We really need to answer the big question. Are you going to have enough income to retire comfortably?
We'll check the 4 pillars: Social Security, your pension, traditional accounts, and tax advantage strategies.
We'll calculate your future spendable income. It's not just total savings, but what those assets actually produce.
We often spot a gap between the money coming in and what you actually need.
Ask yourself right now, would falling short on your monthly retirement needs be a big problem?
We'll actually map out your financial journey, from the planning stage right through to preserving your wealth.
We'll tackle things like maintaining your lifestyle, making savings last, tax efficiency, medical costs, and leaving a legacy.
Ultimately, the main goal here is just to give you absolute clarity on exactly where you stand.
In just 15 minutes, you get a clear projection, spot any gaps, and see real options to improve.
Reply to this message to get your pension and retirement review call rescheduled right now.
If you want to better prepare for your future retirement,